everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just going to be unboxing the Medusa makeup box. Now then, this is round about the £20 a month mark. It comes from America and I pay no import charges or taxes or anything like that really. I hardly get anything of that sort of thing, because people think because you buy from America you're going to have taxes and all of that sort of stuff. No, I don't. Right, so we're just going to have this opened. It comes in this sort of bag like that. And this is it. I'm not sure on what month it is. It could be the August one, it could be the one before August. So it could be July's, but this is it. It comes in a little box like that. I love this design. That lip design looks really nice. I like the way that it's got the makeup on it, and that is really nice. Ooh, a little bit of ASMR. See there with the clicking. You probably don't like that, ASMR people. Maybe I should do an ASMR video. Let me know if you want that, because I can do it. Right, so opens up like that. I think it was supposed to open up there, but I opened it here. And so it comes in a yellow orange bag like that. And it's tissue. Okay, so it's empty now. So this is the contents of it. Right, so the first thing you get, ooh, look at that. That is a gorgeous colour eyeshadow. I think it's an eyeshadow dust, and it's called the Pennywise eyeshadow dust. So there we go. I'll just pull them out and then have a mess around with them later. You'll see. Oh, so this is a Cha Cha Cherry Bomb. I'm sure that's a lipstick. Or is it a lip balm? Probably is a lip balm. I'm not sure though. So this is the Medusa lip paint. So there we go. And then we have a Medusa eye makeup shadow. Oh yeah, that's a matte one. I like matte eyeshadows and all of that sort of thing. Right, so this month's box, it was the... What month were you? You were the July box. So I still got to get the August box, and the value of this box was $37.95. So I have about made my money back because I pay about £20 for it. So I'm happy with it because I do get my money back. I see my money like in these type of things, because these things is quite dear over here. I mean, that is at $9. So there we go. Right, so now we're going to have a look. I'll give you the prices of them all. $9 for that one, sorry, that one. This one is $8, and this one is, what are you, $8.95, and this one is $12, which is the lip paint. Right, so we'll start off with this because I've got it in my hands, and it looks like that. Really nice packaging, summer packaging. I do like it. Right, okay, so I need to get some tweezers or something to open this, because it's just a little troublesome. And right, these always used to be in like a cardboard cardboard box, but this time they've put it in a plastic. It's a lot better. So even that is plastic. Still difficult for me to open though, but it's a lot better. Right, so there we go. There it is. Oh my god, it feels like butter. It is so soft. There we go, we'll swatch it. Just about there. You see that? It's beautiful. That is really a pretty colour. Right, so I am looking forward to putting that on my eyes. At the minute I've got a goldy colour on, so I'm not really going to put that on just a minute, but that's the colour. One more last time. Then I'm going to try this one, which is the Pennywise one. And this is like a dust. Dropped it. In every one of my videos, I always have to drop something. It just always happens. Never get through a video and it doesn't drop. Right, so that's it there. Oh, and I'm sorry for you, the dog's barking, but there's a dog out the back and it just constantly barks. You see it? It's really like a shimmery colour. Maybe it's will that lift off? Nope. It won't. Maybe I'll get my tweezers on. No, so that's the colour there. It's just not going to come out. Right, so now I'm going to try Cherry Bomb. This is, oh, it's a white lip balm. White lip balm. Ah, it tastes like cherries. Oh my, that is really, really nice. I like that. It tastes exactly like those Morello cherries that you get in the jar you put in the cocktails or your nice drinks. That's what that tastes like. I can't actually stop putting it on. It's like so addictive. I just love it. It's really, really a nice one. Is that one? You like it? And okay, so the next item is this one, isn't it? It's the lip paint. I am a little bit out of touch with my videos at the minute. I've just not been doing them for quite a long time, and like I need to get my confidence built up. So I thought, well, I'll start off with Medusa makeup because it was what I had. I've had it for a few weeks actually. But I let anxiety get in the road and I just didn't do the unboxings. So this one, it looks like it's going to suit me because I do like that type of colour. And this is also cruelty free, by the way, so it's quite a good one, I say. Oh, it's purpley. It's not really sticking or anything. I'll just actually try it with this bit of tissue, see what it does. Doing anything. Well, anyway, I'm going to finish the video with this because I can't really get it to do anything else. So there you go, you'll see it. Not a pretty sight, is it? No. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye! I don't really like